Hi everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection not working in Google Pixel 11. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.